The unique long-range 300mm Tornado SMLRS allows firing at a range of up to 120 km and covering an area exceeding 60 ha. The complex is capable of firing both with single rockets and a full salvo of 12 guides. The BM-30 Smerch 9K58 Smerch or 9A52-2 Smerch M is a Soviet heavy multiple rocket launcher. The system is intended to defeat personnel armored and soft targets in concentration areas, artillery batteries, command posts and ammunition depots. It was designed in the early 1980s and entered service in the Soviet Army in 1989. When first observed by the West in 1983, it received the code MRL 280mm M. 1983. It is being superseded by the 9A52-4 Tornado since 2018. Russia's Tornado S multiple launch rocket system, MLRS, will replace the Cold War-era Smerch and Uragan systems within the next 7 years. The Tornado is Russia's answer to the U.S. Army's High-Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS. Manufacturer Lockheed Martin completed final test of its new Precision Strike Missile, PRSM, by firing it from HIMARS launcher in May. The Tornado system is equipped with GLONASS satellite guidance, Russian GPS, to enable the launch vehicle to pinpoint its own location for more accurate fire. The Tornado S is a considerable upgrade from the 9K58 Tornado, designed to destroy distant group targets, personnel, unarmored, lightly armored and armored vehicles, tactical missiles, aerial defense systems, parked helicopters, command points, communication nodes and military-industrial infrastructure. The system can fire its rockets in a salvo or as individual precision missiles. It can also use adjustable ammunition. A key feature of the Tornado SMLRS is a new automated guidance and fire control system that allows you to simultaneously control the division's fire, as well as automatically calculate target data. Direct packages of guiding combat vehicles in horizontal and vertical planes. The Multiple Rocket Launcher System, MRLS, Tornado S, 9K515, is the result of deep modernization of MRLS Smerch. Compared with its predecessor, it has improved tactical and technical characteristics, in particular significantly increased range and firing accuracy. The Multiple Rocket Launcher System, Tornado S, is intended for fire destruction of manpower, equipment, stationary and moving single and group objects. MLRS can be used against artillery and missile units including precision weapons systems, in areas of concentration on the move, on firing and launch sites. The system is also capable of hitting motorized infantry and tank units, command posts, anti-aircraft and missile defense systems, electronic warfare aircraft and helicopters on the runways.